Hello once again and welcome to Kiwate. Chris here. I'm so excited to tell you that I am now finally going to verify my location. And then I received a letter from Google AdSense, and that is all about the PIN verification. When you are now a YouTuber or you do something that involves the AdSense account, there is a threshold amount of money you reach, and then they send you a letter on the post office in order to verify your location. And now I have it here now. So guys, I'm so excited today to show you how to verify this one. It's now closed, and now it's somehow cool to receive it. I've waited like 4 weeks or 5 to reach in my country, and it can also take like less or more according to your location. And then today I'm going to show you how to enter it in the AdSense, and then you are now ready to go. Think about this one. Your Google AdSense is your safe. This is now the key to that safe. If you don't verify your location, you never get any money from YouTube or your website. So guys, let me go ahead and show you how to verify your PIN. And so now this is now my letter. Now it's closed, and then you're going to go ahead and open. So there is somewhere writing that you have to remove the edges first. I'm going to remove it like this one. Take it off. And then remove now this to the second one like this. Side, then go like this slowly, and so we are going to see what now inside. Let's remove this again, this also. And this is now useless. Then we're going to open our AdSense later. Now this is now my PIN, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in my AdSense account. And then as you can see here now, there are some instructions, the steps you can follow in order to verify it. And then don't mind that I will show you step by step how to do it in my AdSense account. So I hope guys I will meet you there. Alright guys, after receiving my PIN, now I'm at my browser. I'm going to enter my AdSense account, and then I'm going to verify my PIN. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to open my AdSense account like this one. AdSense, there you go. And then wait it to load. And as you can see now, there is a card that shows me that my payments are on hold because I didn't verify my PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and click on verify. Then they will require me to put my PIN, and then pay attention. You have only 3 attempts to try. If you try more than 3 attempts, it will be a problem. So be careful. So I'm going to go ahead and put my PIN. I'm not going to spare it. Alright, and then you click on submit, and then you wait for a short time, and then bingo! Wow, your billing address have been verified now. So now you are safe. You are no longer needing to see the card on your home of your AdSense, and so you are now safe to go. I hope you guys liked this video, and so if you liked it, remember to press like, subscribe, and then share with your friends. And as always, learn it once and apply it everywhere. Peace.